I have seen that those people who have meat in their stomach, they can never come to enlightenment. They don't come. They don't want. They want only meat. Chicken meat, goat meat, pig meat. Only meat they want. They get only meat. They want only darkness. They don't want light. They want only himsa, violence, killing, interference. They will never get enlightenment. And they don't want enlightenment. They want only again and again birth, again and again birth. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. Because they live in himsa. That is the fate of all those people who are living in himsa. Again and again getting recycled. Again and again being born. As long as they are in himsa, killing, violence, interference, they keep on coming back again and again. Nature will wait for everybody, eternally. Nature is not in a hurry to transform you. You have to be in a hurry to transform yourself. To come into light from darkness. It is your priority. It is your prerogative. Nature is not bothered. If you are unfit for nature, you will be keep on being recycled in the nature. But if you are fit person for the nature, you will become a leader of the nature. You will become a co-creator. So, to come into light, you cannot come into light unless you become a fit person. Who is a fit person? Who never kills, who never violates other beings, never interferes. Then he comes to search for truth. He gets a tool called anapanasati. I want to give anapanasati to everybody, but those people who are eating meat, they will not receive it. They cannot receive it. Because there's meat in their stomach. But those people in whose stomach there is no meat, they receive it. Or those people who don't want any more meat in their stomach, they will receive it. When they receive the tool, they utilize the tool, they get into light. They get into nityaha. They get into their own soul, their own self. Then you have self-realization. When you have self-realization, you come out of the cycle of birth and death. No more birth for you, no more death for you. If you are not come into nityaha, there is always constant birth and death again and again and again and again and again. Until you get tired of your own cycles and you make efforts to get out of darkness and you get into light. Search for truth is enlightenment. And what is truth? Whatever is eternal is truth. Nityaha satyaha. And what is eternity? You yourself are the eternity. Your body, your family, your building, your pyramid is not eternity. Your consciousness is eternity. Seeking your own consciousness. I want to be aware of my own awareness. I want to be conscious of my own consciousness. I want to know what the hell I am. Then you are a candidate for enlightenment. Then the process of withdrawing from your energies from all the anitya, it takes a lot of process. When you complete that process, you have got a lot of energy available with you to pursue enlightenment with all the seriousness. And the tool kit will be available to you. The anapanasati is available to you. You begin to observe your own breathing and reaching your own consciousness. When you reach your own consciousness, your own awareness, when you are aware of your own awareness, when you have become conscious of your own consciousness, you become a Buddha, enlightened one. You have achieved your purpose, you have achieved your goal.